Hi everyone, welcome back to Python course. So in previous video we have discussed about lambda functions. So this is like a continuous video for lambda function. So lambda functions are often used with higher order functions. So we can say like lambda functions are small order, but we can use like a higher order functions such as map, filter, reduce to perform operations on sequence of data. So we can start one example. Some I'm taking some numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm creating same lambda function. Whatever we have created, this square root equals to lambda lambda x x power 2 we are giving. Now I have a list of values in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I want to send these all values to check this lambda square root. So for that, what I have to do? Here we are sending only a single value, but here I want to check with multiple values. For that, you have to give like a map lambda x. Map is a method. So this map function to calculate the squares of each number within the list. So it will take each value in the list or tuple or whatever, and then it is we have to give that list of numbers here. I mean this variable we have to uh, declare here, and then run. So just run this square root, what it is printing will check. See, it is giving map value. To show this all values, we have to use list method to show this square root values. See, all list will come. The first one 1, 2 power 2 4, 3 power 3 power 2 9, so 4 power 2 16, and 5 power 2 25. What next? So here we have given a map and we have printed. So if I want to use like a filter option, how to work on filter option? So to work on filter option, we have to like a filter some data. So to filter some data in Python, the filter method we are using. Filter method is a built-in function that allows you to filter a sequence of data based on given data. So means like in Python, what will happen? The filter method is a built-in function that allows you to filter a sequence of data based on a given condition. So the filter function like it takes two arguments. One is true and false. A function that takes a single value, it returns true or false depending on whether the value should be included in the output. Let's try an example. So the example I'm giving say I'm taking same list whatever numbers we have here, and now I want to bring like a even numbers equals to, first we can write a lambda function and then on top of that we can apply this lambda x even number. How to check? Like x per modulo 2 equals to 0, then we can able to see. Let's print this one. So here again we have to give we have to give like these numbers, right? So these numbers we need to share here. So whatever numbers are getting, and those should be modulo 2 equals to 0. Let's try with filter here. So we use a why we have to use this filter function within the lambda function. So the a lambda function with the filter function to select only the even numbers from the number. All it will select only even numbers. It will check, okay, 2 by 2 percentage 2 equals to 0. Okay, this is like a even number. So directly it will filter and it will give. Just check it. Filter, and we have to pass numbers, whatever numbers we have. Numbers. Let's check whatever numbers we are getting. Even numbers. Not number, numbers. See 2 and 4. What we have discussed about definition of filter method is a built-in function that allows you to filter a sequence of data based on given condition. Based on given condition, our condition is x percentage 2 equals to 0. That means we are checking even number within this list and filtering those even numbers and printing. Okay. And what is reduce? What is reduce? In Python, reduce also like a inbuilt function that allows you to apply a function to the element of sequence cumulative way. So to reduce the we have a, like different values like pairs and arguments. So these things it will reduce. See the main definition of reduce function. Reduce function is a inbuilt function that allows you to apply a function to the elements of a sequence in a cumulative way, reducing the sequence to a single value. So example, we can see how this reduce function is working. So reduce function, actually there is we have to import from function tools. uh, from we'll check it is available, import. So it is like an external module which is not coming from by default in functions. So let's try with it is in functional tools import reduce. Let's check it is available or not. Import function tool. Sorry, this is from. Yes, it is available. Now take numbers here. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 or 5. I'm taking. Now take lambda function. Some I'm giving pro equals to lambda x comma y. We are taking now two values x comma y, and then I want to multiply x and y. Okay, this is two values we are taking and multiplying the values. In previous video we are taking only one, I mean previous uh, filter and map we are taking one values, and we are doing we are working on this conditions and all. See the map we have to use like one variable, and we can give like a numbers here and we can get a result. And filter will work on based on the condition. It will filter the data from data, whatever data we want, that data it will print. And if I want to do like a reduce function, we have to start this. We have like a x and y, and we have to multiply. So just check it how it will multiply. But we are not giving like a multiple values, we are giving like a one list of values. How it will do a multiplication, how it will take this x and y values. So by using reduce, it will take this kind of data. So just print this pro, it is giving 120. So how it is multiplying? 1 into 2 is a 2, 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is a 6, 6 into 4. 6 into 4, what is that? 6 into 4. 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 5. Into 5. It is giving 120. So it is taking like 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So total, check it. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. What is 120? So reduce function will take the arguments like that, and it will print the result. So finally, how what we can declare with the reduce function? A lambda function with the reduce function to calculate the product of all the numbers in the number. Okay, the lambda function take two argument, one and y, x and y, multiply them and return the result. So reduce function applies the lambda function to the first two elements of the number list, then to the result and next elements, and so until the elements have been processed. So we can also see like a different examples by using reduce function. Let's try with another example. Here I'm writing one function at giving x and y. Okay, x and y. Then return x plus y. Now I have like multiple numbers. Numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm giving like 4 numbers. Now, how to do a sum of all these if I want to do a sum of all these numbers, use like a reduce method, and here give add and numbers, numbers, number all. Yeah. So print the sum, it is giving 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So I hope you have understand this different concepts of this filter, map, and reduce in the lambda. How we can utilize these things in lambda function, and very important, this lambda function in Python. We can, because this is like a very small and anonymous function, we can utilize for any Python program development. Thank you. Have a nice day.